2016 Nissan Sentra. We're gonna do an Android radio, CarPlay, and a backup cam. First thing you're gonna do is you're gonna remove this panel around the radio. This comes out, no special tools required. This panel popper. Carefully pry that bezel out. You gotta lift that up. There is a little hook there. I'll show you. This hook here, that has to clear. So if you try to pull it out, it's gonna grab this hook right here. So you're gonna have to bring it down and pull forward. And there are 4 10 mils here. You're gonna remove it. Actually, in this case, there's Phillips screws. Four screws, the radio pulls out straight forward. The radio has a little hook here, so you're going to have to lift it up and pull. Otherwise, there is a plastic clip locks it in. That hole there, so you're going to have to lift it up just a little and pull forward. Disconnect all the harnesses, including antenna adapter. This is Metra's website. The dash kit is 95-7618G. Antenna adapter is 40-NI12. Harness is 70-7552. We are running the backup cam cable. Remove this pillar, run it up all the way to the back. Mount the cam right there. Made a hole on the part of my hand. I don't want to show license plate number. That wire is right here, coming down. You're gonna run it alongside of this cable right there. Harness is very simple, match the color. A lot of people say you didn't show how to connect the wires. The reason for that is it's pretty straightforward. The red goes to red, yellow goes to yellow, black goes to black, white goes to white. Whatever match, connect. Whatever don't match, don't connect. In this case, we also doing a brake shutdown, which is going to ground it, which is a light green wire that enables and disabling the settings. This is the dash kit. It comes with a side mount. You're going to put the side mount on it first. Since we don't know how deep it has to go down to, so we're just going to put it down all the way like that. And if we need to adjust the depth, we'll move it around later. This antenna requires amp turn on for the signal. Hook it up to the blue wire. To go backup cam, you're going to have to remove all these clips. There's a whole bunch of them. Remove all that. Back panel comes out. We're going to run the cable alongside of this. Connect the reverse cam right there. The reverse wire can be found right there, that pink wire. That is a reverse light. The microphone right up there. Ran the wire cross coming down along with RCA wire for the reverse cam. Then we're gonna run it cross right behind the radio. Wire coming from the back along with the RCA, that's going to be connected to the reverse light in the back. So that's going to be connected to trigger wire for the reverse cam.
Beautiful. Okay.
This is the RCA cable. Goes along with this factory wire.
You plug in the microphone? Wireless CarPlay?
Yep.
Stop. Loud. Hola, ¿cómo estás?
Estoy bien.
Tango.
That's not in at all. That shit ain't in. I didn't hear no clicking sound.
Click here. This is touch.
Maybe the radio is sticking out too much.
Not hit the radio yet.
It's not? Why isn't it going in?
These are the clips they gave us. Clips are not going in home. Cogerás todas las tules.
Okay, I heard it. There we go.
Tight. Really tight.
Echo cam.
Beautiful.
Good. Reverse. Okay.
Hey, maricón.